In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect UPS to Shippo. By the end, you'll be able to see your UPS negotiated rates and purchase UPS labels directly from your Shippo dashboard, all from the web app. Start by logging into your Shippo account on the web. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left of the dashboard for the gear icon. That's Settings. Click it, then open the Carrier section. This is where all your shipping connections live and where you'll add UPS. At the top of the Carriers page, click the button that says Connect Carrier Account. You'll see a list of carriers you can link to Shippo. Choose UPS from the list. Shippo will now ask for a few details to set up the connection. First, enter an account nickname. This is just for your reference inside Shippo, so pick something descriptive that helps you recognize this UPS account later, especially if you plan to connect more than one. Next, enter your UPS account number. This is your official UPS number. Make sure it's accurate. If you're not sure where to find it, it's typically visible in your UPS profile or on your UPS invoices. You'll see a checkbox to agree to the UPS technology agreement. This is required for Shippo to access your negotiated rates and let you buy UPS labels. Check the box to continue. When you click Next, Shippo will redirect you to the UPS sign-in page to verify ownership and authorize the connection. Sign in using your ups.com username and password. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication. Then review and approve the authorization request. After you finish, you'll be automatically returned to Shippo, and your UPS account will be connected. That's it. From here, you'll be able to view UPS rates, including any negotiated discounts tied to your account number, and create UPS shipping labels directly within Shippo. When you create a shipment, UPS will appear as a carrier option alongside others, and you can compare services and prices before you buy. If you don't immediately see UPS rates, try refreshing your browser or revisiting the carrier's page to confirm the connection shows as active. A couple of quick pointers. Double-check that the UPS account number you entered matches the account linked to the UPS login you used. If the authorization doesn't complete, sign out of UPS in a separate tab and try again through Shippo. And if you manage multiple UPS accounts, using clear nicknames will save you time when choosing the right one at checkout. You're all set to streamline your shipping with UPS and Shippo. Thanks for watching, and happy shipping.